I just want to wish my my daughter and my son-in-law good luck on their new baby. And
Is it,
Lucas
He
Adam?
didn't even know.
Lucas Adam Cole.
He didn't even know it was his son-in-law. I had to tell him. He thought it was his brother-in-law.
He thought it was his brother-in-law?
Yes,
Well, why did he think it was his brother-in-law?
because his daughter, his stepdaughter, said, "Congratulations to my brother-in-law."
Joel, is that true? And you thought then it was that your own brother-in-law that had the
Yeah,
baby?
that is absolutely correct. So when I said brother-in-law, and then 2 seconds later, Peter calls me on the phone. He goes, "What do you mean brother-in-law?" Then I said, "Well, my stepdaughter Tracy wrote this, this, and this." And he goes, "You dum-dum." That's because of Tracy. His famous words is dum-dum to me when I screw up. But Peter,
Is he a dum-dum?
I'm afraid so. Joel is definitely a dum-dum sometimes.
A dum-dum is... What's a dum-dum compared to a dumpkopf?
I don't know. What is that? Is that Jewish?
It's German.
Oh, okay.
You never watched Hogan's Heroes?
I hate that show.
Oh,
hates Hogan's
I
Heroes.
love that show with Richard Dawson
It's so stupid.
and Schultz.
Sergeant Schultz.
Sergeant
Joe Banner.
Schultz, yeah, he was the
show
best
on TV,
back then,
I'll take
and
MASH
yeah,
any day.
that was one of my favorite shows.
You
You
hate
like
MASH, too?
MASH?
You hate
You're an
MASH,
Alan
too?
Alda fan?
I like Alan Alda.
Oh, I couldn't stand Alan Alda.
Alan Alda's great. If you look at Howard Stern, he sounds just like Alan Alda.
I'll tell you
true.
something quick about Alan Alda. He lives in Manhattan, and he lives 3 doors
Gary
down.
has your shorts. You can go into the change room
And he lives three doors down, and his neighbor is Regis Philbin.
No kidding.
No, yeah, and Regis gets his paper every morning and drops it off at his door. And Regis comes out with his boxer shorts to get the paper with no shirt on, and he runs down to Alden's joint, drop off his friggin' paper, and then runs back to his apartment. True story.
Now, how do you know that?
Oh, I read that in the.
read it.
I read that in the. You know what? He said that on the show at one time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I'm gonna tell you, ever since Regis left, I never watched that show because I can't stand Kelly Ripa and the other idiot that used to play for the Giants.